channel. It's Sandy J, and it's been a minute since I've posted. Today I'm gonna try the I'm Cold viral makeup look, so stay tuned, keep watching. I'm gonna use a new product in this video. It's like one new product because your girl is frugal, so yeah, we use a lot of the same products around here, but it doesn't matter as long as we achieve an amazing look. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Bye. Super sticky. That's what I have to say so far. I've used way too much. I'm not a beauty guru, so don't come for me. Yeah, it's the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, guys. Sorry, maybe I'm just too close to the camera. In the shade Medium Peach. So we're gonna use that to conceal and all because it's like the perfect shade for me. For foundation, we're gonna go in we're gonna mix these two. So the matte Infallible L'Oreal Paris foundation mixed with the Dream Satin Liquid by Maybelline. These two mixed together are a match made in heaven because it creates like a perfect, not too matte, but also very hydrating foundation. I have yet to find a foundation that's a hydrating matte foundation. So a little too, okay. Hopefully it's not too close, but I probably put too much, but I'm trying to like blend it out here. And I'm gonna go in with the Infallible on one side, and since this is matte, I will just add it only to like one side at a time, if that makes sense, and then I blend out. I low-key forgot to conceal my under eyes. Oh, I might just let that sit there. Low-key, let it get tacky. Let it sit. I probably add too much for some people, but I don't really care, to be honest, because I like it like that. Sorry. That sounds like low-key so mean, but girl, you do what you like and I'm gonna do what I like. Oh. And I like to do like circular motions and not too like heavy-handed, just kind of letting it work on its own like that. See how pretty that is? I think it's nice like that. The forehead. Bring it into my hair a little bit because that looks cute to me, like a little bronzy forehead moment. Blending out the concealer underneath the eyes. Inner corner as well. Hard to blend out sometimes. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add that concealer at the top of my eye. I'm not using as much concealer today, but I don't know. I think it looks like nicer, like less like. I didn't want to do too much around my eyes because I have dry skin, you know, so if I do the most, like, it's just too much, dude. I'm low-key, like, really scared to go in with my beauty blender, but here it goes, here it goes. We're gonna go in. Well, here it goes. Oh my god. Oh shit, that's a lot. Oh shit, kind of cute though, kind of cute. I'm gonna do a lot of blush today, B. A lot of blush. Cute. I low-key really like it. Damn, that looks cute. Okay, I'm gonna go to my nose now. I feel like this side is more pink than this side. I don't know. Let me see. Try to add a little more of that vibrant pink color into it. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute, whatever. Okay. And then I brought it into my upper cheeky area. What else? I think that's... Oh shit. Sorry, I got a text. Yeah, I think that's really good and pretty. I like it. It's a lot of blush, but fuck it, bruh. Fuck it. Patted the creases out because I hella crease. Let me tell you, I hella crease. Sweep everything off. Like I just like to start with my forehead, under my chinny, and then I'll do my upper, like my lids first, you know, and like kind of brush down. And you see I use less, but it looks good, girl. Let me tell you, it be looking good. I'll go like right here on the side, my inner corner of my eye, and sometimes I will leave this under eye part to stay a little bit longer. So a little bit of bronzer with the Yvette Beauty Creations collab. I kind of like to mix the two on this brush. I feel like this e.l.f. brush would be a really good foundation brush, honestly, but yeah, I like to just kind of like go in between the two, and I'll just kind of like that, you know what I'm saying? So since bronzer is not the main look of the day, like I'm just kind of lightly dusting just to set it up just a tad, you know? And then we're gonna hit our forehead like how we did earlier. Once again, I'm using the Truly Madly Deeply palette, and I'm gonna go in and mix these two colors right here to get like that, to set like the blush on my face, you know, like this look like I'm supposed to be cold. So I'm low-key kind of excited to use a lot of blush because it's not it's like low-key out of my comfort zone, you know? And then I'm adding hella blush to my nosy. Hella blushy to my nosy. Cool. I love this brush because it's very fluffy and little and very precise. Wherever I put it is where it goes, you know? So we're gonna go in more right here. A little blushy. This is so pretty. I love the big blush vibes. So now I'm probably gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I have a pink highlighter that would look so beautiful and stunning with this look, honestly. Right here, it's really pretty. I'm going like that. So pretty, like lightly, just lightly brush it, you know? Cool, pretty. It gets that extra little highlight or whatever it is. Cool. We love it, we love it. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Nabby Hot Cocoa lip liner instead of the red one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in the middle with some of this Miliani, I forgot the color. It is I Am Awesome. So I love to do this like in the middle. And then I might just do a little bit of the R.e.m. Beauty lipstick. It's like a coffee color. It's a plumping lip gloss, evidently. I don't know the color of it. Detention? I don't know if that's the color, but we're gonna go in with this as a topper, so. Okay, now I took it off. I don't like the soft filter on when I'm doing makeup tutorials because it's just not, like I want y'all to see like my realness. But anywho, I'm gonna go in with the Mauve Matte Naked 61. Sorry, I'm very like, I'll literally hold it like in my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this like in the outer outskirts of my lips. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one in the center. Something like that. I don't know if the R.e.m. Beauty is gonna go with this like as a topper because it's very like chocolatey and like, oh, I don't think it's gonna look that great. I'm kind of scared. It's like hella brown. I'm like debating, should I or should I not? Blend it out a little, give it a little natural look. Ooh, that looks kind of low-key gorgeous. Look at me, mixing it up. What am I gonna do? Pop on some eyelashes. I'll show you guys what I use for eyelashes and the eyebrows. It's pretty much like my other tutorials. Yeah, something new that I did with my eyebrows is I added, like I filled in the bald spots with this NYX Lift and Snatch Eyebrow Tint pen. Love this pen, guys. It's in the color Espresso, and it looks like a felt tip liner, and I just filled in like the little bald spots like that. You see, like kind of like hair-like strokes in a way. Pretty cool. And it like, I use the brow. It's not like too crazy, you know. That's what I really like about it. $6.71. I got them at Walmart. Okay, y'all, I added some mascara to these lashes, bro, and tell me why they're low-key so gorgeous. Like, what is this? This style is new to me, but anything I notice, anything that curls up gives me like a doll-like effect, and wispy, voluminous, like, dude, I am here for it. Like, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, honey, it's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna be back with the look. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna wear with this It's Cold Outside type of look. So with this It's Cold Outside type of look, so we will be back for that. Okay.